OnePlus just proved that every other phone brand has been lazy with batteries. The number they put inside the Ace 6 Ultra is so absurd it should embarrass every flagship released in the last 3 years. Like, share and subscribe so you never miss a story like this. Gaming phones have always had one embarrassing weakness. You are 20 minutes into an intense session and the battery warning kills everything. OnePlus just decided to end that problem with the Ace 6 Ultra. The battery is 8,600 mAh. Most flagship phones ship with 4,000 to 5,000. OnePlus has nearly doubled the entire industry standard. The company says this delivers 7 full hours of continuous gameplay at full frame rate, not standby, not light use. 7 hours of active full speed gaming. When you do need to charge, 120-watt SuperVOOC adds 2 full hours of gameplay from just 10 minutes on the cable. 10 minutes, 2 hours back. That is not a spec, that is a superpower. Inside the battery, OnePlus has placed OPPO's Glacier Battery chip. Think of it as a performance manager living inside the cell. It delivers the equivalent of 200 extra milliampere hours at normal temperatures. In extreme cold, it jumps to 700 extra milliampere hours. This phone gets more efficient when it gets colder. Every other battery on the market does the opposite. The OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra also gets a 165Hz display, an attachable gamepad, IP69K water resistance, which is the highest rating on any phone right now, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and crystal shield glass. The phone launches in China on April 28th. If the OnePlus Ace 6 Ultra sets a new battery benchmark, every other brand shipping 4,500 mAh flagships in 2025 is going to have a very uncomfortable few months. Stay subscribed because when this phone hits global markets, you will hear it here first.